NordPass regularly gets called the best password manager out there. But is this really true? Can you truly trust your sensitive data with NordPass? In today's NordPass review, we'll see if this app lives up to its name and if we believe it's a must-have addition to your cybersecurity toolbox. Let's check it out. Here at Cybernews, our first priority is always security. So let's first answer the question, is NordPass safe? Now, one way this provider protects your private data is with its XChaCha20 encryption. This is one of the more modern options on the market, and it makes the app both faster and safer. All of this works with the app's zero-knowledge architecture, meaning that your data is 100% inaccessible to anyone but you. It's even off-limits to NordPass employees, no exceptions. And since this provider knows the proof is in the pudding, they've opened themselves up to multiple independent audits, which thoroughly prove their security measures are up to par. Taking their security a step further, NordPass also offers various multi-factor authentication options that you can set up right inside the app, adding an extra layer of protection to the login process. And one particularly convenient feature that really provides users with security and peace of mind is automatic backup. With it, any activity or updates that are made within the app are instantly saved and now accessible on any other device as well. So, can you trust NordPass to keep your personal data safe? Well, considering everything we just covered, plus the fact that it's never been breached, I'd say NordPass definitely qualifies as one of the most secure password managers on the entire market. If you want to get this level of security for yourself, then be sure to use the QR code on screen or link in the description to access NordPass with a special discount. All right, now that we've established how airtight the security is in the app, let's see what NordPass features are included too. For those looking to easily transfer existing passwords from a previous manager or browser extension, NordPass offers a couple methods to import passwords easily so you're not starting from scratch. Also, if the idea of potentially forgetting your NordPass login info and losing access to all your important passwords and sensitive data feels nerve-wracking, no worries. NordPass provides all users with a couple of options for account and password recovery. You have the option to re-enter your account via a unique 24-symbol recovery code, which is available to download as a PDF, or a straightforward email recovery option is also available. Plus, with the emergency access feature, I can choose up to 5 people to give access to my vault in case of an emergency. Additionally, NordPass Password Manager also supports passkeys, which is a method of logging in that doesn't even require a password. Not only is it more convenient, it's also more secure, since passkeys function by confirming both the validity of your device and website before granting access. Of course, as expected with any solid password manager, NordPass also has a password generator feature. This one is super customizable and lets users seriously tailor how long and strong they want each password to be, and select their desired combination of capital letters, digits, and symbols. There's even a password phrase option, which creates easy-to-remember phrases. Once you've got all your passwords generated and stored, you can now easily share them with other NordPass members, which is a great feature for large families in which someone always forgets the password to the Wi-Fi or the streaming login. And if you're looking to seriously amp up the convenience factor when logging in, then the autofill feature has your back. It does need to be set up within the browser extension, but once that's done, NordPass will automatically fill out any credential fields for you, so you don't have to. That said, the NordPass app also has some super unique features that definitely increase its ranking among other industry leaders. The password health checker informs users when it's time to update old, reused, or outdated passwords. This means maximum security for you with minimal effort. The data breach scanner lets you add multiple emails and credit cards, then scans the web to see if any have been compromised. It's a great way to gain peace of mind. If your data is ever exposed, you'll know right away and can take action fast. And to top it all off, NordPass even includes an email masking feature, meaning you can now use a burner email when signing up for new accounts, instead of your personal one. All masked emails will be forwarded directly to your original inbox, so you can now feel comfortable signing up for new services online without the fear that comes with giving away your personal data. As you can see, NordPass not only comes with all the standard features a password manager should be equipped with, but they've increased their value by also adding some unique, very refined features to their arsenal as well. So, is NordPass good enough to keep your data secure? The answer is definitely yes. Now, another green flag I see when using NordPass is just how consistent its appearance is across all operating systems. The differences between the desktop app and mobile version are minimal, and they each have a modern, intuitive design. Also, I understand that sometimes installing new cybersecurity apps can feel a little intimidating, but regardless whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, you'll find NordPass very easy to install, set up, and use. And there are even helpful guides right on their website and 24/7 customer support that can answer any questions you might have. Now, pricing-wise, there are a couple different plans to choose from. Yes, NordPass does offer a free option, however, it's super bare bones and includes barely any of the extensive features we covered. The premium plan, on the other hand, is still super affordable and comes with the full security suite of features, plus one user account. If you need more than that, though, then the family plan includes all the same features, plus it boosts you up to 6 user accounts. As you can see, the NordPass price changes according to the 1 or 2 year plans, with the longer subscriptions being cheaper overall. And to make any of these plans even cheaper, be sure to use our exclusive coupon via the QR code on screen or link in the description. So, to sum up today's NordPass review, this provider is equipped with the full security suite you need to protect your passwords. From modern security and extensive features to a minimalist layout and affordable pricing. In my opinion, this app 100% deserves the title of the best password manager of 2025. Don't forget to grab your discount in the description before checking out, and if you want to binge more Cybernews content, check out the next video on screen now. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one.